Day 3 at INDIAWOOD is buzzing with excitement. The energy, the innovations, the opportunities are incredible. Chalo!
From high-performance woodworking machines to premium materials and tools, every solution you need is right here.
From industry veterans to emerging entrepreneurs, this is where strong partnership and new collaboration take shape.
So much. Thank you. INDIAWOOD is a global hub. We have 600 plus brands and exhibitors coming from Germany, China, Italy, France, Poland, Taiwan, USA, and many more.
Live workshops, expert insights, hands-on training. There is so much to gain for your business.
Three action-packed days of innovation, business and networking. But it's not over yet. Your last chance to experience it all is just a day away. See you tomorrow.